This is what made the Prophet ﷺ phenomenal. One of the things amongst many that made him amazing was he, and by virtue of him, his companions, his students, they had such courage to do what they knew was right, even when everyone around them gave them a million reasons not to, they would still do it. That the Prophet ﷺ, when it came to injustice, he stood up against it, even though no one else cared. When it came to equal rights, he stood up for them, even though no one else wanted them for those people. When it came to virtue, when it came to taking care of the sick and the needy and the poor, even though everyone else, even though he was from noble lineage, and he was from a social class in his lineage that by virtue of that fact had no reason to care for these people, he stood up against it. This is what courage is.